Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Jan's Journey. Today we're going to be revealing some spoilers, guys, for FABFITFUN. This one is for the spring 2021 box. This is the first box for 2021, and here you guys get to see actually how the box is going to look like. I think it's super pretty, perfect for the springtime. It's truly me. And let me tell you one thing that I enjoy about the boxes, because they're seasonal. I've been able to put a lot of my decorations in the box because it already tells you what the season is. So I'm using these boxes for that. And I think I'm going to be using the spring box for that too if I keep this box. But let's go ahead and start looking at the items that are already confirmed. We have customization 1 through 3 already, and we have a possible box reveal, which I'm going to reveal later on in this video. So one thing for you guys to know about FABFITFUN, there's dates to know, and you are able to pick and choose some of your items depending on your membership. So if you're seasonal, all the items I'm going to share today, you're going to be able to choose. If you're annual membership, you're going to be able to customize your box, which that's going to open early access on February 5th. And if you are seasonal, then you're going to be able to customize your box on February 19th. So here I put the prices for the membership if you're new, if you're interested on getting this box, and the link is actually here. You guys could click it or click it below. But also you guys get to see the perks for the annual membership here as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the first customization, and that's the first choice. Let me tell you, there's so many items to choose from, and which is making it even harder. This is one of the items that I usually see every time. There's usually a tote bag. In this case, this is the Alice and Olivia Daisy print. How cute it is. Duffel bag. It shows you the size, the dimension of the bag. It also has a removable shoulder strap. So I think this is really cute. But I'm telling you, it's gonna be truly hard to choose one, because I feel like customization number 1 truly is pretty good. This is another item. This is from Perricone AMD. It's an essential rejuvenating moisturizer. Yesterday there was a live video on Instagram with FABFITFUN with Perricone AMD, and they were talking about how great this product is for discoloration, to actually rejuvenate the appearance, for brightening your skin. And the way they were talking about it, I'm like, oh my god, I feel like I need to get this moisturizer, because I struggle with discoloration. So, and I have tried this brand in the past, so now I'm interested based on that live video. So excited about it. And on this side, I'm going to be putting some information here as well of the product. This one is very interesting too, and this is a Short Stories LED indoor planter, and you will also get the True Leaf Market Italian large leaf basil seeds. So this is a way for you to grow your plants indoor, and I think this is super cute. It comes with that LED light, and I was actually interested on this one as well. This is a watch. This is from Monroe, classic watch in sunburst Soul Rose. How cute this is. So, and it says it includes the dust bag. Well, actually it's not shown, but it comes with the bag too. This is another item that you're able to choose from. We're still, guys, on customization number 1. This is Jenny Kane. I like that there is handles, which makes it easier for you to grab, and this is such a pretty item to have in the home. This one really caught my attention as well. That's what I like about this box, because it also has some tech items. And here's that tech item. This is Tech Candy UV Sanitizing Bed. And I feel like this is perfect for what we're going through. And it kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes. So you could actually put an item there and let it do its magic. And I'm excited about this. I really wanted to read more about it, because I think this is something that we need, and this could be used to sanitize items with hard flat surfaces, including phones and IDs, and it also includes one charging cord. So pretty interesting, and I'm glad that they're offering something like this in the box. Here's another item, Milk Makeup. I love this brand, and this is a Milk Makeup watermelon brightening face mask, and you're gonna get the mini watermelon brightening face serum. So here you can have more information about the mask and also about the mini serum. This is so cute as well. This is another item shown from Shoshana Umbrella. This is a spring shower call for a durable and totally cute umbrella like this one, and it also comes with the sleeve, and it totally goes with the springtime. And last, for the customization number 1, it's a call pack set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet. If I was more traveling, I think I would have selected this item because it will make it easier for you to put all the items when you're traveling, but I don't know when that's gonna happen, so that's why I'm kind of skipping on this one, but I'm glad that it's a great option. So here to do a recap, guys, here are all the items for customization number 1. As you see, many great items for the home, lifestyle, skincare, tech items. So I'm excited for customization number 1. So let's go ahead and move on to choice number 2, which is customization number 2. And the first one is Our Place lunchbox. As you see here, this is a cute set, and this set does come with the utensils that you see there, and I think it's such a pretty color. Next, we have this item. I actually have this item. I got this from boxycharm. This is a $1 billion brows. This is a 6-piece pro brush essential kit. Now, thinking about it, I don't know if it was 6-piece, but guys, it was really soft. I love this brand, especially for the brows, and I'm glad that they really extended and they're making makeup brushes. They are so soft. Was intrigued by because it says that it's infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. I think that's what makes it a little bit different, and the bristles are very soft. Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. I was excited when this brand was revealed in Sephora years ago. This is an oil that absorbs easily into the skin, can be used on face, hair, nails, and body. Love it. It works for so many great people, but because I have sensitive skin, I started breaking out. It didn't work for me, yet for other family members it works so great on their skin. So I was excited about it, but for me it did not work. But I'm glad to see the big bottle shown as a choice item. So here's another great item, guys. This is Splendid Fall Fur Slippers in pink. How cute is this? They will have sizes small to medium, will fit a woman's sizes 5 to 7.5, and medium to large will fit women's size 8 through 11. So pretty, so cute. I'm excited for that, guys. And then we have a workout item, which I think is cute. This is from Gayam Ultimate Core Toning Kit. It's a kit. You will be getting both items. This kit includes the Core Plus Reformer and the Mini AB ball. So, and you actually get to go to a website and see how it works. I actually checked it out to see if this is something that I want to include, and they give you a workout on the Core Plus and also on the ball, and that will also be included in the insert card for you to download digital exercises. Guys, I love daily planner, and usually I make my own because sometimes I don't find the one that best works for me, but I think this is so pretty, so cute, perfect for the spring. And this is Steel Mill & Co. and Company To Do Planning. This is a bundle. It includes 2 dual-ended highlighters and 5 sticker sheets and 1 planner. So very pretty. You guys could put, I love to keep track of my weekly things. This one is a daily one, so it makes it more detailed, which is perfect as well. So this is really pretty and a great option for customization number 2. So here's a recap. Now we get to see 6 items that are included for choice number 2. So now let's go ahead and move on to choice number 3. And this one has less items, and I feel like this one is going to be harder for me to pick because of the items. Yes, it's starting out pretty good because it has Verso Super Eye Serum. It has retinol and super serum, which is also to target just the eye section. It's going to reduce puffiness, and it's going to work to remove the dark circles and to make it smoother and firmer in that skin area. As you know, eye serum is something that we all need, but yet I feel like a lot of them do not work, or I don't see major improvement. But I hope that this one does work. You just have to do more research about it. This one is a little different because it does have retinol, and this might be probably one of the best items here on the customization number 3. This is another great item if you want to have create your own set. As you see in customization number 1, there was a duffel bag, and it was from the same brand, and it was the same print. It had the daisies. This one is interesting because it's a reversible bucket hat, so you could actually get the print will match with that duffel bag that we showed earlier. Or you could reverse it, and on the other side it will be white. So it gives you the sizes, so that way you have an idea exactly the sizes and the how it feels, because the printed side is twill and the white side is canvas. So it is interesting if this is something you guys will like. I'm not much of a hat person, so this is not for me, but I like that they do have another item from the same brand here to match that duffel bag if needed. Guys, this is so truly cute. Wow, this jewelry is so pretty. This is Joy Drabecki Chloe ring. This is a bling out your hand with unique hexagon shape, a stone set on a gold plated band, and it says that it's open, so it's adjustable, and the end fits sizes 6 through 8. So you have to keep that in mind. Check your ring size. If this is something that you will like, it does say that it's adjustable, but the design of it is very pretty. I think that's a pretty ring. Next, we have Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters. This is to place your drinks and cocktails on these seagrass coasters with white cotton stitching. And as you see that there's have different patterns. I don't know, this is not for me. I like coasters more that are a little bit more bling, different, but this will go great with the customization number 1 when we saw that nice tray. Then this could go really well together. The only another thing I don't like about it is just that it has different designs, but this could be your thing, and I'm glad that is another choice item. And here we have Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. I'm glad that we're seeing a product for the hair. I love that this has antioxidant rich shea butter that restores softness and shine to locks. Can be used weekly or overnight as a deep conditioning treatment. So just that it has antioxidant there, I love that for the hair, and it's a hair mask, and it's good to have an option for the hair, and you guys get to choose. So like I mentioned, customization number 3, it wasn't that impressive as the other 2, but there's some items here that I could work with. I feel like I could work with the eye serum. I just have to read more information about it, and the hair mask really has me more interested into that. And guys, let me tell you that all 3 customization 1 through 3 are items for all subscribers. So if you're seasonal or you're annual, you're able to pick one of these items. Now here's a possible box reveal. This wasn't a picture. As you see, the box is there. It was shown by the influencer on Instagram, and she has a few items here. It's not a whole box as you see, not a cup, but this is something you could drink from. It's a cactus, and it comes with a straw. I love the color. That's my favorite color. I believe this is included as well. We have not seen it yet. It's a scarf for the hair, and this is an item here as well that possibly could be a sneak peek, and I'm going to show you that product. It's Human and Kind. It's a hand scrub, which is interesting. I have seen scrub, but I haven't seen one for the hand, and that's just the same one that we see here in the picture. So this could be a possible sneak peek. And then we have another picture from another picture shown on Instagram. This one could be a possible full box because we see the Josie product there. We see the milk makeup that we mentioned earlier, but everything else I have not seen. This is interesting because I've seen, this is a deck, and it's so cute. It's called Best Self Intimacy, and it's a deck, and it was actually shown as the top 40 items on CNN. Supposed to strengthen their relationship, to be more open, and it's a couple card game. It's romantic, and they said it's great for a date night. So that's interesting to see that there, and other items that I've seen and tried that brand before, which is pretty good, and everything else I can't really make out what it is, but like I mentioned, these could be some possible sneak peeks and or probably a box reveal. So if you guys know what the other items are, let me know in the comment section and what you guys think so far from the spring box. So guys, I thank you so much for spending some time with me. I wanted to share with you guys the spring box in case you actually wanted to hold and skip the box, or if you're interested on subscribing from the items we have seen so far. Thank you again, and until the next video. Bye.